With this glass cleaning robot, I don't have to worry about cleaning glass anymore. It not only saves me time and energy, but also makes my life easier and more comfortable. Now, I can spend more time with my family and doing things I love. Family, if you are like me and want to easily solve the problem of glass cleaning, you might as well try this glass cleaning robot. I believe it will bring you unexpected surprises. Let's bid farewell to the tedious glass cleaning work and enjoy a clean and bright life together.